Create a docx and add text tags for fillable and merge fields. Download your document to a storage or cloud service. Create a template, name your template, and add a description. Upload your docx to the template and convert the content of your docx to the base64 format. In the response, you'll see document IDs and an array of fields for each document. Go to your airSlate account and install the Prefill via API bot. Get the ID of the template version for publishing. Publish the template version. Create a flow based on the template. Prefill the NDA fields with data using the name and value attributes. Copy the role ID for the next call. Once the flow is ready, let's create a shareable link. In the request, add the role ID or the flow. Subscribe to the flow completion event. Share the link with your recipients or embed it into an iframe. Recipients can enter their information in the pre-filled documents. Once recipients complete every document in the flow, download them as a zip file.